Okay, so today I got a filter I'm going to put in my 990 all the way from Japan. If you can read Japanese. It's always neat to see newspapers from another country, but too bad I can't read it. So anyways, this filter came. It's already mounted to a PC board, so I'm going to have to take it off that board because it has to mount directly into the board in the 990. So I'll have to unsolder these points. I've got a bit of solder wick here, so I can get it off without much problem. And I'll peel open the 990 and we'll take a look at what board has to come out and where this is going to go on the board. Okay, so we've got the radio open. It's my 990. And you take all the screws out of the side, including the strap, to get it off. And if yours is anything like mine, it's been sitting for a long time. This seal here was pretty tight in holding it. It's almost like a little rubberish, and it was really stuck good on there, so a little bit of prying to get it off, but the cabinet didn't deform or anything. So next, the card that's going to come out is the PLL unit, which is the second plug-in card from the right side of the chassis. So this card here has to come out. So I'm just going to stop the camera, unscrew it, both ends, lift the card out, see what plugs. Probably have to take a couple of these jumpers off to do it, but we'll pull it up and see. Okay, so not sure where I'm going to edit this. I started to take out this board because I was reading the instructions for the TC, high stability master oscillator, changing that out and putting one in. I haven't got that. I'm putting in a filter for the CW. So it's this board here that's got to come out. I've unscrewed it. There's one coax cable at the front you got to pull off, which I already have done. I should get it out of there so it doesn't hook onto the board. And there we go. This board looks a little more proper. So according to the instructions, I'm going to have to put the narrow filter in here. So I'm going to this one here is just the SSB narrow filter, and these are the two filters that came with the radio. So I'm going to mount my filter in here, but first I have to take it off that board that it came on. Okay, I'm going to have to switch to my phone here because my trusty camera just crapped out on me. Can't see on the LCD screen anymore. So I've got my filter off the board that it came on. This was probably an adapter board to put that filter in a different model of radio. So this is a spare part for me for something. Probably see if I can sell it to somebody that needs it. And next will be to put that filter in the spot that it goes, and it's obviously this spot is, I think, the spot that I showed earlier. So I'm going to have to mount that in there. The contacts all cleaned up nicely when it came off the board. It wasn't much of a problem at all. I did use my solder sucker to start, and then some solder wick just to clean it up, and freed up quite nicely. So I'm going to have to put the phone down. I haven't got a holder for the phone, unfortunately. Oh, look at that. See, it just slips in all right. Don't even have to. And I'll be able to flip that over and solder it in on this side. Give it some a good bit of solder to hold that in. And then I'll be able to put the board back in the radio. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we've put the board back in. The coax jumper back into its spot. They call that the TMP plug. So plug that in, screw the board back in, make sure of course you line the board in with the slots to put it back down in there properly. Next I'm going to find this dip switch here, number 4, and switch that on now because I've installed the narrow filter there. So that's now on, number 4. And I'll put the case top back on, and we'll plug it in. So I had enough slack on the AC that I could plug it in here on the bench before I push it all the way in, and I can verify that the filter is working. Actually, what I'll do is I'll plug the antenna in too. Alright, so the antenna is plugged in. You can see how much noise I have here in this location. It's just terrible. Let's see if we can find a CW. Bands are crappy this week, or this month. Might not be able to find a CW. Okay, so WEW is now broadcasting, so we got a good solid signal. And that's on wide right now, and I'll bring it down to 500. And here's 250. Not a big difference. You just, here, tighten it in just a touch. So on a noisy band with a lot of operators, that'll probably make a difference, if you got somebody right on top of each other. Anyways, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry for all the poor camera work.